Want to learn how to create an ebook PDF? In this video, I'm going to show you the best ebook writing softwares for beginners so you can learn how to create an ebook step by step. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodness, founder and CEO of Godlywood Girl, creator of the Godlywood Girl Author Toolkit, and my purpose in life is to connect with the resources you need to achieve your purpose in life. So align with that purpose. Today's video is sponsored by the Godlywood Girl Author Toolkit, my brand new online course where I show you step-by-step how to self-publish your own Christian book online, including how to write and self-publish a prayer journal, how to write and self-publish a daily devotional, how to write and self-publish a planner, and how to write and self-publish a nonfiction book. So definitely check the link in the description box below to learn all about the Godlywood Girl Author Toolkit and how I can show you step-by-step how to get that book out of your head and self-publish this year. And if you're ready to learn how to create an ebook PDF with the best softwares for beginners, girl, get your pen and paper. Let's dive in. So ebook writing software number one is Microsoft Word. A lot of people don't realize that an ebook is just a digital version of a printed book. And you can actually use Microsoft Word to create your ebook. What you'll do is you get into Microsoft Word, you actually write your book within Microsoft Word, you go ahead and design it and format it how you want it to. Microsoft Word has amazing formatting options. You can insert photos, you can add page numbers, you can insert designs and lines, you can change colors. There's a lot of things you can do in Microsoft Word and tons of free tutorials on YouTube that show you all the things you can do in Microsoft Word. Now, once you're done designing your book, what you're gonna do is go to File, Save As, PDF. You wanna optimize it for best printing, and then you literally have an ebook copy of your book. Make sure you add a cover title, and you can use Apple Preview on a Mac, or you can use a PDF, what are those called? PDF Combiner online if you're using a PC, and that's how you can use Microsoft Word to create your ebook for free.
All right, sis, so here we are in Microsoft Word, and I just quickly created this Microsoft Word ebook. So I use Lorem Ipsum. This is not a real book that I wrote. I just wanted to show you how to use this to create your ebook. So once you create your ebook, you design everything, you have it all done in Microsoft Word. All you're gonna do is go up here and go to File, Save As, and then you're gonna select right over here where you see Word document. You're gonna select that, and you're gonna change that to PDF right here, PDF. Then you're gonna do best for printing, right? Best for printing, and hit export. Do you wanna continue printing? Click yes. And now I'm gonna show you what this looks like. So this is what the ebook looks like. So this would be what you deliver to people. And you'll see it's literally just a hard set digital copy of your book, really easy to do. And if you have Microsoft Word, it's free of charge.
Option number two is Google Docs. Now, what's so cool about Google Docs is that it is free to anybody who has a Gmail email address. So if you don't have Microsoft Word, you haven't paid for Microsoft Word on your computer, or it didn't come with your computer, you can actually use Google Docs. Go ahead and sign up for a free Gmail account, and then click in your apps in the top right corner and just click on the Docs app. Now, once you're in Google Docs, you can actually use that to write your book, format your book, make it all beautiful and lovely, and then all you're gonna do is do File, Save As, PDF. That's it. Actually, I believe in Google Docs, it's download as PDF, but basically the same exact steps as Microsoft Word, except for Google Docs, you don't have to pay to use Microsoft. You can go ahead and use Google Docs just with a Gmail address. And now you have on your computer a PDF ebook.
Okay, sis, so here we are in Google Docs. I absolutely love Google Docs. This is actually how I am writing my next book, Genesis Kyrie, my first fiction novel under Godlywood Girls book publishing. So excited about it. But I absolutely love Google Docs. So once again, I just created this example of an ebook in Google Docs. You can do this for free. I use Lorem Ipsum. So now once you have it set up, you have all your book the way that you want it. You added your pictures, you added your formatting, all that good stuff. Just gonna go over here where it says File. You're going to click download right here, and then you're going to navigate to PDF document. It's PDF document. Go ahead and click PDF document, and then it's going to go ahead and save. So I'm just going to save that to my desktop, and now this is what it looks like. This is your book, just like that. So this would be what you actually deliver to people when they purchase your ebook from you. Really easy to use, and all you need is a Gmail account in order to use Google Docs.
Option number three is Keynote. Keynote comes on all Apple computers. It literally is something you don't have to purchase in addition to your Mac. It's already there on your desktop. And so what you do is you go into Keynote and you're going to format your ebook. You're going to format your Keynote presentation file to be the size of an ebook. So you can make it 8.5 by 11. You can make it 5 by 8. 6 by 9 is pretty standard for a lot of ebooks. You can make it 6 inches by 9 inches so that it's pretty much standard. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to create your ebook step by step using Keynote. You just add in your titles, you add in your text, you put in designs if you want to, and once again, you do File, Save as PDF. And now you have an ebook that you created in Keynote. And this comes with all Mac computers. And what's really cool about Keynote is the quality of the pictures that you can insert is a lot higher. So you can actually do really, really cool images and graphics using Keynote's built-in features and make your ebook really, really pretty.
All right, sis, so here we are in Microsoft Keynote, and you can see that I created my ebook, and look at this different options. Because it's Keynote, I can add these really cool photos, isn't that cool? That's why I love the idea of using Keynote and using PowerPoint, which we'll talk about in the next step. It's super easy to do. So once you've created your book, you've designed it, you have everything the way that you want it, all you have to do is go to File, Export to PDF, and then I'm going to do image quality best, right? And then I'm going to click next, and I'm just going to save it to our desktop. It's going to export. And then once it's done, you just navigate over to where you saved it and you can open it up and you are going to see your ebook. Isn't that gorgeous? Super easy to do. And if you have a Mac computer, it is free of charge. And I absolutely love this so much. And if I zoom in, you can see the quality is really, really nice. It doesn't lose quality just because it's Keynote. So this is a great way to make your ebook, if you have a Mac, for free.
Option number 4 is for my PC users and my Mac users, and that is Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, PowerPoint is actually what I used to design my first 3 books. A lot of people don't know that, but yeah, I started out on PowerPoint, and PowerPoint is just like Keynote, except it is made by Microsoft. Absolutely amazing. And once again, you just create your presentation size to be 6 by 9 or 5 by 8 or 8.5 by 11, whatever size you choose for your ebook. And then you're literally going to create each of the little elements that you need, put in your titles, put in your content, put in your designs, and do File, Save as PDF. And again, once again, you have an ebook PDF. And all 4 of these softwares are excellent and accessible and easy to learn and easy to do. So do not get caught up by the software of creating your ebook. Let yourself just choose whichever one and make it as easy as possible for yourself. Don't let yourself get hung up on the tech. The book that God gave you to write is important and necessary, and any one of these softwares will allow you to publish that ebook and get it done.
All right, sis, so here we are on my computer. We are in Microsoft PowerPoint. So once again, just created a file inside of PowerPoint with my ebook. You can see like each of these assets are movable. You know what I mean? So just literally built it in PowerPoint. It took me 5 minutes. And once you have it built up, and again, the reason why I love the idea of using PowerPoint and Keynote is because you get to create these beautiful images like this. So you just go to File, you click Export, and then you're just gonna keep this as PDF. And then I'm just gonna change this to 2, hit Export. It's processing the PDF. And now we have a PDF. Let me go ahead and open that up. See if it'll print. There we go. And we have our beautiful PDF from Microsoft. So you'll see that the quality here is still really, really good. Isn't that beautiful? So you can get really nice, high quality ebooks just by using Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. And again, this is the way that I created my first 3 books. And just looking at this and doing this right now is actually making me want to do another book using this software because it's so pretty. All right, love. So let's get back to the video.
So if you want my help writing and self-publishing your own Christian book online, including your own prayer journal, your own planner, your own daily devotional, your own nonfiction book, make sure you get the Godlywood Girl Author Toolkit by clicking the link in the description box below. And if you just want a free checklist to help you stay on track as you're publishing, make sure you get my free Write Your Book checklist by clicking the link in the first few lines of this description box. And finally, sis, if you're not already subscribed to the Godlywood Girl YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscription button. My goal for this channel is for it to be the #1 resource for every woman of faith who wants to live for greatest purpose for Christ as a Christian entrepreneur. So if that's you, hit that subscription button, and God willing, I'll see you at Godlywood Girl. Hey love, thanks so much for watching this video on my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and click the subscribe button so you can get brand new videos that Godlywood Girl releases. My mission with the Godlywood Girl YouTube channel is for it to empower at least 5 million women of Christ to get unstuck, stop feeling frustrated, and start living God's greatest purpose for their lives. So if you want to join that movement, make sure you click the link below to join me in the Godlywood Girl School of Purpose, where I literally teach you how to start living God's greatest purpose for your life step by step. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.